Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox Lenovo Yoga 7 14 ITL5 professional laptop. It is very slim and 2-in-1 convertible laptop. This laptop mostly useful for designers, engineers and business presentations. Let's see the technical details. It's 14-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS 300 nits glossy and touchscreen 10-point multi-touch. It's come with Windows 11 Home 64-bit and the processor i7 11 generation. The memory is 16 GB DDR4 3200. Storage is 1 TB SSD M2 IPE 3.0/4 NVMe. It's having integrated Intel Iris Xe graphic and the front camera resolution is 720 pixel and its available ports are one USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports and two Thunderbolt 4 USB 4 40 Gbps ports and one headphone mic combo jack. This is very good laptop for the professional designers, engineers and business presentations. Hope this video gives you brief idea about this laptop. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you very much.